Hi everyone, I'm Divya Pati Sharmugavelu with the matrix number D20211099191. Okay, today I'm going to conduct an experiment to investigate the effect of distance of the light on the rate of photosynthesis. The objective of the experiment is to determine the effect of light distance on the rate of photosynthesis. Okay, the introduction for the experiment. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their own food in the presence of water, chlorophyll, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. This process occurs mainly in the leaves of the plants. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast cells of the leaves. One of the factors affecting the photosynthesis is the light intensity. Photosynthesis begins at low light intensity and increases till its maximum up to 1.5% of the light. So today, an experiment will be conducted to show how does light intensity affect the rate of photosynthesis. The hypothesis of the experiment is the further the light moves from the plant, the longer the time take for the leaves disc to float on the water. These are the materials needed for the experiment. Now I'm going to put holes using a hole punch to get the leaf disc. And then I'm going to remove the plunger from the syringe to put the leaf disc into the barrel of the syringe and tap them down to the tip without damaging the leaf disc when replacing the plunger into the syringe. In a beaker, mix 0.5 grams of sodium bicarbonate with 50 ml of water. Then draw about 6 to 8 ml of bicarbonate solution into the syringe. I made sure that the leaf disc should float in the solution. Hold the syringe the tip up and expel the air by gently pushing on the plunger. Plug the tip of the syringe tightly with finger and gently pull on the plunger to create a slight vacuum. After holding the vacuum for few seconds, release the plunger for letting it snap back. The discs are beginning to sink. The previous step is repeated for several times until all of the discs have sunk to the bottom. The discs have settled to the bottom. I'm going to remove the plunger to pour the disc and solution into the cup. Then set up the lamp about 3 cm above the beaker. Turn on the light and set up the timer. Record the observation. Once finished, remove the light and put the cup in the dark for 15 minutes with covering with aluminium foil. Lastly, repeat the step 3 to 15 using the same leaf, but this time set up the torchlight so that it is suspended about 10 cm above the beaker. Record the observation. That's all for the experiment. So this is the result of the experiment I conducted. When the light is set 3 cm above from the beaker, the leaf disc just took 4 minutes to float on the solution. But when the light is set 10 cm above from the beaker, the time taken for the 10 leaf disc to float on the solution is 10 minutes. So the hypothesis is accepted.